think for me the challenge that we now need to have, and especially to these now, the organizers of the festivals and the media fraternity, it's about time that we now start showing the public positive content. You know, today we've seen a show that ought to have been displayed to the general public so that people get to know there are positive things that you can learn from these young ones. It is through exposure, through the platform that Jalas got and so many other actors that made him or propelled him to the greater heights in terms of being known and getting elected. But you see, we have this talent beyond high school or beyond college. They die because there is no platform to display them or to showcase them. Some of these shows are the shows that ought to have been live on our television so that people see that they are talents and then pick one or two people and then grow with them. Because today, Your Excellency, I have picked something very positive. I also have a nephew who is autistic. And going through the story that our kids displayed here or showed us here, it really affected me, you know, and touched my heart. And I imagined what my nephew could be going through in school. In fact, it's through that I felt these are the kids that touched me. If you allow me, Your Excellency, I think if you allow me, I can give them fare of 100,000 to go back with as they go to Visa Oshual. Because these are the lessons that we need to learn and get to see, you know, the positive stories. And even as we talk about the positive stories, Your Excellency, on national platform, there are also so many other positive stories, even about government, that you also need to be airing sometimes. That today, Your Excellency, we are talking about a positivity of reduction of food prices as far as unga is concerned and other things. We need our media to air that. When it is high, air. When it is low, like now, please tangaza. Mafuta wakati ilikuwa juu, ikiwa juu, tangaza ni sawa. Lakini pia saa hii iko chini, pia tangaza. So that we're able to show that there are positive things. We love our country. Let's push for the positivity of some things and sometimes, you know, suppress the negatives ndio zikuwe kando. God bless you. Asanteni sana, mimi naitwa Silvana Osoro.